I've done nothing in my 4 years, I think less than giving everything I possibly could to this university. And I want to showcase that this is what an Arkansas State University student is. We're not people who just show up to get an education and get out, but we're so much more. We want to be the leaders of our area, whether it be academia, industry, or anywhere in between. We're people who give everything to the spirit of Arkansas State University.
When I think of Mason, the first thing that comes to mind is he's a self-motivated individual. You give him a problem, and I'm absolutely certain he'll find a solution. Mason comes from humble background. He has always believed in hard work. He's a self-motivated individual. He absolutely knows what his goals are. Again, it's very rare that I find students who are so certain as to their path and they carve things out for themselves. Mason's one of those.
I believe pursuing a higher education is an extremely bold and noble thing to do, and to want to advance science in such a way, and seeing at such a young age to have this kind of spark that I felt when I was a kid, seeing that I was able to give that to someone younger is an unbelievable feeling.
I started the K-12 thing about 6-7 years ago, and pretty much I've been fortunate to have a really good group every year to help me out, and Mason's been a significant part of that.
Oh my goodness. I remember the day we got accepted, hearing that I get to have part in building a project that gets to be sent to space before I graduate college. These past 2 years have been nothing less than a dream to me. It's been unbelievable, and still there are times where I don't think I fully comprehend how lucky I am to have been a part of the team at Arkansas State University, just surrounded by wonderful students and faculty that have built me up to this point.
And one thing I'll tell you, it's not often that we have students like Mason come along who are such well-rounded. They're in academics, they're in extracurricular, they do other things as well. It's quite rare that you find that, to be honest with you.
I feel band was a perfect addition to rounding out my character, and it's about the people at Arkansas State University. We're here for games, we're here for pep rallies. We want to make sure every student's experience here on campus is amazing, and being the soundtrack to the university is one of the most important aspects of the band itself.
Mason's a great friend, and I'm sure he's going to remain my friend. He's one of the most polite, well-behaved, wonderful individual I've ever come across.
I wasn't here to simply get a degree and move on. I want to give back constantly, whether it's as an alumni or during my time here, but I want to constantly be remembered as someone who helped develop the mechanical engineering program, who was always there to be a part of the band, who was always someone who cared about every student here, was willing to help out, but at the same time, push the boundaries of what Arkansas State University was known for.
He's a very unselfish individual. I can put it that way. And I'll be sorry to see him go. And that's the honest truth. I'll really be sorry to see him go.